Hi, I'm Charlie.
And I'm Liz.
And we're the Adventure Closet.
And today?
And today, we have got this giant 47-pound box of rockhounding from Jeff at Hunting Rocks that we are going to open and share with you guys. So come along with us. So Jeff knew that we had been in an accident and that we had been, kind of incapacitated. I mean, I'm still walking with a walker. We're still using wheelchairs for getting around in the kitchen and stuff because it makes it easier to carry things, unfortunately. We haven't been able to get out and go rockhounding, camping, hiking, all the fun stuff that we used to love to do in months. So Jeff brought it upon himself to create a rockhounding experience in a box and send it to us.
Just super thoughtful.
Yeah, very thoughtful.
And I'm so excited.
Yeah, me too. We don't know what to expect. He said to open it outside on a tarp. So that's the only warning we got. It comes with the caution heavy over 35 pound sticker on it because it is 47 pounds and 3 ounces. And he was able to fit it into one of these large flat rate boxes for less than $30. Which is kind of amazing.
Yes, it's super amazing.
Flat rate boxes and rockhounding, it's kind of a cheat code.
Yeah, anytime you're shipping rocks.
Yeah. So, let's get into this. Let's see what this is. Maybe there's instructions inside. I don't know. But let's check it out. I didn't bring a knife, which I probably should have. We never plan ahead things. Yeah, we knew we were going to do this for the video, but we're like, well, let's just wing it. Okay.
Use your teeth.
No, I'm not going to use my teeth. You know how hard it is to maneuver a 47-pound box of rocks when you're using a walker or a cane? It is so difficult.
We should have filmed that part.
We should have. I had to drive the van up to where it was dropped off, load it into the van, and it sat there in the van. And then from the van, I put the box, I pivoted into this chair, and then from the chair to here. So it hasn't gone far since it's left, or since it's arrived. Okay.
Almost in there.
This is the part that... This is the most exciting part of the video right here. It's the unboxing. And I must give it to Jeff. A 47-pound box of rocks made it all the way from Missouri to Washington State and didn't break open.
Yeah, pretty amazing. Usually when we get a box of rocks, it's
damaged beyond repair. Okay, it's in a bag, and there is a card.
To the Adventure Closet. Warning, best done outside. We didn't listen to Jeff on the tarp part, so we might have regrets.
We're outside, though.
Let's see. Oh, there's a putty tat on the front. We're sorry you're not feeling up to purr. We'd like you to get better, right? Meow. That's so cute.
Well, and he wrote, "Hope you'll be feline better soon."
That's awesome. I don't know. This is really pretty handwriting. Not that Jeff isn't capable of pretty handwriting, but I have a feeling Mrs. Hunting Rocks wrote this. But let's see. It says, "Dear friends, since you can't make it out to Rockhound right now, we thought we'd bring the Rockhounding to you. Inside this box, you will find the Hunting Rocks patent pending rock slicer opener and amazing sifter." That's awesome. Aside, this is Sherry. He bought the stuff at Dollar Tree. Don't listen to him naming it. But he means well, so I'll go along with it. In the box, you will find minerals, crystals, fossils, and rocks from everywhere from Utah to Florida, as well as some polished stones from AE Rocks. I hope you enjoy digging in the dirt, or sand in this case.
Aw.
Jeff, Sherry, Hamilton, and the kitty cats.
Nice.
That's awesome. So Jeff has done a lot of traveling with his Rockhounding channel, and he has gotten such cool like rocks, fish fossils from Wyoming, and he goes down to Florida and gets shark teeth. Like, he gets really cool stuff, and he's hilarious. So definitely check out his channel, not just because he sent us a box of rocks, but because he's a really good person and he has an awesome channel that's very informative.
Yeah, and we're not just watchers. We're members of his channel.
Yeah.
Okay. We're skipping ahead to when this box is open. Side note here. Gotta tape this to the outside of the box, Jeff.
I don't think the post office would approve.
No, they probably wouldn't.
They were already mad enough about the weight of the box.
Yeah. But thank you. Now I can finish opening the box the right way. Okay. That was easy. All right. Well, let's just get this thing open.
Yeah, it already came with the tarp. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you know what we need? We need a bucket of water, and we need something to put the rocks in.
Yeah, I'm sure we do. That's a lot easier said than done right now.
We're really great planners.
Yeah.
Okay,
We'll get there.
Let's get in there.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I just saw something cool.
I know, I see something cool too. Wow.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, Jeff. Holy smokes. What's the first thing that caught your eye?
This, but and now everything's catching my eye.
Well, this is the first thing that caught my eye.
Wow. Well, and look at that giant geode right there.
This thing? That looks like it's already cracked?
Oh.
Okay, this is gonna be...
This is gonna be a lot of fun. All right.
Okay, where do we begin? Right here.
So that's a giant crystal, probably from somewhere in Arkansas, I'm guessing. Jeff has done a lot of amazing rock hounding down there. And I bet he'll tell us in the comments where that came from. Gorgeous. Wow.
Oh, that's pretty.
That's
Look at that
really
right there.
beautiful. Is that rhyolite? Oh. Gorgeous.
You know, when you don't go rock hounding enough, you get a little rusty.
I know, it's weird. Like, it's been... We had the accident in April, and we were busy the month before. No way!
That's
That is a
cool.
fish fossil.
That's cool.
Wow. You can see where its little eyes were. Oops, where's my finger? Right there. Oh, that is so cool. That's amazing. That one's going on display. Wow. Oh my gosh.
So, is this coral?
It looks like coral.
You're gonna have to tell us, Jeff,
Yeah.
what a lot of these are. These are cool.
But it's like agatized.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Wow. What?
Okay. Gosh, we haven't even gotten deep in this thing yet.
Oh my gosh, this is agatized too.
Let's set the geode over here.
It's got that botryoidal stuff going on.
Yeah, what do you want to look at next?
Okay. Let me capture something shiny. Oh, that's gorgeous. I wonder if this is from AE Rocks.
Yeah. I thought I saw some sparkle in that too.
Did you?
Yeah. Just a little bit in that little crevice right there. There's a little sparkle.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
This reminds me of like desert chalcedony. I'd almost be willing to bet he got this like in Utah or Nevada somewhere. That's pretty. We both are going ooh at the same time. What do you got?
Oh, nothing.
Okay, well, let me show. Look at this trilobite. This is perfect.
Oh, that's nice.
And it's just sitting on that little piece of host rock. That's awesome.
That's awesome. That's a great one.
Gosh, how did that make it through shipping?
Sand.
Wow.
I think the sand is what helped.
Yeah. That's going to go on display next to Mr. Fishy.
So this is what I got.
What? Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of little pancaked squished trilobites on it.
Yeah, it's a little death plate.
So cool. Yeah, you're right. That is a death plate of trilobites. You don't see that too often.
Yeah.
You gotta give it to Jeff's specialty is trilobites. And he just gets the coolest specimens. When we were down there visiting them, he took us to a secret spot and Charlie found an amazing one.
Yeah. And he broke it open for me and it got it out perfect. What about this one?
Ooh. Wow. Gosh, this one needs to get wet. Okay.
Lick it. I'm just kidding.
Hold on. Stop the camera. Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
That is gorgeous. Never
Okay.
mind that it's covered in my own spit.
You should show them.
And I bet you in good lighting that there's druzy in there and it's just sparkles on the inside. Oh, so pretty.
Okay, I gotta stop digging in this thing while she's like filming those because I just uncovered like 3 different things that are amazing. And I had to rebury them so she gets to see them.
So there's something nearby that's amazing.
Oh, there's several
There's still
things
stuff on
in
the
there.
surface
I
that looks
know.
amazing.
Yeah, let's get the surface ones first.
Okay.
That's nice.
So pretty.
See the rings on that?
Yeah, gosh, that gloss didn't even get scratched up by the sand.
I know.
Oh. God. So pretty.
Flip it over.
No. Yes. That's awesome. How cool. So this thing is just covered in pyrite, which is fool's gold, which is my favorite kind of gold. Call me a fool, but it's so cool looking. Oh, that's awesome. Oh. Wow.
That's pretty.
Gorgeous.
Let's speed things up a little bit. Instead of like grabbing a rock, filming it, grabbing a rock, filming it, let's like look at a few rocks and then film the best ones.
Okay. Sounds good. Oh, we haven't been using our fancy
I think
patent
that's
pending
for
sifting.
when we get through the big stuff.
Okay.
I mean, we could. Is that a crinoid?
Oh, that's cool. That's a huge one. It's a fossilized sea lily. What is that? It's a shark tooth. Oh, that's so cool. Let's get you guys a close-up.
What do you suppose this is?
I don't know. What do you guys suppose this is?
Or Jeff?
Or Jeff?
Can you tell us what that one is? Ooh,
Oh,
that's beautiful.
look at the banding in that.
That one's gorgeous. I guess you're gonna have to show them that one too.
Yeah. Check this one out, guys.
Oh,
Oh no.
that's cool though.
Wow. Look at the ridges on the back of this trilobite. Like, that's so defined. And this thing's huge too. That's massive. Set this aside with the big daddy over here. No way.
That's cool.
This is like a giant, like, geodized clamshell. Like, This thing's huge.
That's awesome. Wow.
Look at all those calcite crystals inside. Like, this is epic. This is absolutely epic. Wow. Thanks, Jeff.
Yeah, thank you. These are amazing. Like this is like quite the collection.
Yeah. Like, I was expecting like a few cool little rocks and this huge thing of sand, but it is stuffed with like really, really cool specimens.
Yeah. Really cool stuff.
That one's even better than the other one. Wow. Wow. Okay.
All right. Show them these ones. That's cool.
That is stunning. Absolutely stunning.
Wow. Guys, there's just so much epic stuff in here. Still big pieces. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Wow.
Check that out. Jeez.
Oh, that's cool how it's got like a mix of the milky and the clear quartz.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big boy.
And
Nice.
big trilobite. Did you show him this tooth?
Oh no, that one's cool. Wow. So shiny.
Yeah. That's because he brushed. Whoa.
What? Gosh, that reminds me of like a devil's toenail.
Look at this. Boy, that probably would have went through the sifter.
Oh wow, how did you even see that little guy? Actually, I'm gonna keep it in your hand.
Yeah.
I'm not filming it good.
This little guy might have already went through the sifter. I wouldn't have seen that one. That's nice. This little guy almost went through the sifter. Here you go. Let me get the sifter out and start sifting.
That's definitely a tooth.
All right, Jeff. This is fun. Thank you. Like, just being able to sift through this, like, little pile of sand and rocks for little specks of fun.
It's the coolest idea.
Yeah, it's a great idea. Like just pulling out, like, these little tiny pieces of crystal that are just even too small to see on camera. It's fun. So we appreciate it.
Yeah, and if you guys don't know and watch Jeff's channel already, like, he's just a big kid like us.
Yeah.
So like he knows what's cool.
Yeah.
Wait, I see something. Wow. It's so tiny, but I think that this is a stingray tooth, because like we've seen it in his videos. Ooh, what's that? Okay, stop distracting me. I gotta show you guys this little tiny fossil. And I think that's a stingray tooth. It's really, really small. I can't believe we found that in there. Like, it's so cool that there's little tiny stuff in there too. Like, I don't know what that is, but that's pretty. And then I was finding little pieces of topaz also, or at least I'm pretty sure it's topaz. Ooh, a tooth.
That's a nice one.
Nice.
Show 'em that one.
Nice teethers.
We're covered in sand right now.
That is so cool. That is a mean looking tooth.
Yeah.
I couldn't imagine, like, if this was out of a fish and, like, you caught that fish and you had to take the hook out. Like, ouch. Ooh, look what you found.
Yeah, that's a beautiful one.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty.
Here, you want to show them a little better?
What?
Oh, wow.
That's awesome.
That's beautiful.
That is definitely from Missouri. Wow. All those beautiful crystals. Oh, the sparkle on this is insane. Bling, 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 bling. Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Making a lot of noise.
What did you find? Ooh. I know we've seen him get those before in his videos.
Yeah, I think he got him down in Florida.
Ooh, look at this guy just sitting on top.
What you got? I couldn't see
It's
it.
a shark tooth.
Oh, wow, that's a nice one.
He goes down to Florida and he has this like floating sifter and he gets in the water. And he hasn't been eaten by any alligators or crocodiles yet. And that's probably never going to happen. But he does some brave stuff going down there in Florida and getting these really cool fossils.
Wow.
Oh, nice.
Whoa.
Wow.
What is that? Is that petrified wood? That is.
Is it petrified wood?
That looks like a nice piece of petrified wood.
Or is it bone? What's that? Oh, nice.
Jeez, Jeff.
Ooh. Oh, that's beautiful. Gosh, I think we're like balling here.
This
Look at all this stuff.
insane. And there's still more. Whoa.
What? No.
It's like peacock.
Yeah, peacock ore.
Yeah.
Oh, Oh, this is the coolest piece ever. Wow. Jeez.
Yeah, that one's pretty
Oh,
epic.
this is super special.
Yeah.
Man, thank you. Nuh-uh. I keep saying no to all the rocks, but I really mean yes. Look at this. This is how you make sure nobody steals your rocks. You just get your spit on them. Wow. That is stunning. Bling, 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 bling. What have you here?
Carnelian agate. Is it?
Oh, I bet this is, what do they call him that he gets off the river there? On that road that he goes to. And he gets these, he calls them like honey agates or something.
Oh.
And it's, yeah, basically like carnelian pieces. This is a huge one though.
That's a weird looking. Oh, it's a broken tooth, but that's like the root part, I think.
Oh, whoa. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, there's the... Wow. That's cool.
Alright, and here's some more that I found.
Oh, man. This is a fossilized shell. Like, it's cool that, like, if this was just a shell, but for this to be intact like this, that's insane. Running out of spots to put rocks. Ugh. Look at that.
Yeah, fossil. There's another one. More
Same thing.
intact. Well, that was fun. There's still a huge pile of sand here that don't worry, Jeff, we will be going through it with a fine-toothed comb. But we have already, you're watching this video, it's definitely not an hour-long video, but we have been filming for an hour straight. And we're still pulling more and more out. And it's just amazing. I just want to say thank you, Jeff, at Hunting Rocks. This was awesome. This is amazing.
Incredibly generous. Like,
this was a great idea.
Yeah, and I feel like it's like a piece of like all these adventures that we've seen you go on, and like that just makes this so super special. And we haven't even shown the giant geode yet.
We'll show those after the outro.
Like, thank you so much. I'm blown away.
Yeah,
Absolutely blown away.
Yeah, this was the best gift ever.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Oh, and Liz's birthday is on Wednesday, so everybody wish her a happy birthday.
Yeah, and as we're filming this, Jeff's birthday was yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
So
Happy birthday, Jeff.
happy birthday to both of us. Actually, a lot of Rockhounds were born in August, so happy birthday to all of our Rockhound friends. Lisa's birthday
Dustin.
is today, isn't it?
Yeah, Lisa's birthday is today. Happy birthday, Lisa.
Yeah, and I think Dustin from Dustin Finds Rocks.
That was, I think, day before Jeff's or
it's
something like that.
Yeah, so happy birthday, Rockhounds.
August is a Rockhound birth month.
Yeah. Yeah, we should all be out hunting peridot in Hawaii.
Yeah.
That's a good plan. Well, that was fun.
That was so much fun. That was pretty epically fun. I must say. Yeah, this really scratched the Rockhound itch for us. Thank you to all our normal viewers who sat through this Rockhound video who aren't Rockhounds. Maybe you'll get interested now knowing that all this stuff just is out there for the taking, it's just spread throughout the country and the world. You know, rockhounding's kind of a cool hobby to get into. I mean, you find stuff like that just laying around, or, you know, million-year-old fossils.
It's so therapeutic. Like, you don't even have to know what everything is. Just go out and find pretty rocks, and you will get hooked instantly.
Yeah.
And then, then you might get fancy with it and learn how to polish them or cut them. I mean, it's fun.
It is fun.
Let's open that geode.
Okay. But thanks for watching.
Thank you for liking and subscribing.
Don't forget to check us out on Patreon. And we'll see you next time.
Bye now.
Bye now. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. Oh, that's what the knife's for. Okay.
All right, we're going to get you guys in there so you can see the reveal with us. Oh, ooh. That's insane.
Let me dump the sand out.
Ooh, let me see that one.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, this thing's, I don't think I'm supposed to be lifting this much weight with this hand. Oh, that's gorgeous. This thing is huge. And then there was a little one. Ooh. That one needs some spit. Oh, it's got Charlie spit on it. Gross.
That sand tastes amazing.
That is so cool. I love the patterns in that.
I love that you can see through it. That's awesome. It's like clouded.
And it's like a triple geode. Yeah. Oh, that's super cool. That's I just awesome. Realized that.
Yeah.
How cool. It's a snowman. 90-degree weather. Oh no, I dropped a rock. Shoot. More rock hounding.
Yeah, maybe we shouldn't have done this on gravel.
Yeah.
Okay, Jeff. Using the patented hunting rocks knife. It did come in handy.
Gorgeous.
Gosh, is that from
it looks
Dugway?
It could be from Dugway.
This almost looks like a Dugway. Oh, sorry, were you gonna lick it?
Oh, it's got the rhyolite exterior, so it's a so this looks like a thunder egg. Oh, Look at that. Oh, that's got sparkle inside. You guys see that? Wait, you gotta have the really wide open mouth.
Our fish park?
Yeah, yeah, you just pretend like somebody's throwing a cheeseburger at your face.
I don't think I can catch a cheeseburger in my mouth. Can you catch a cheeseburger in your mouth?
I've never tried.
Next time on the Adventure Closet, Liz catches a cheeseburger in her mouth.